2019 season we have 100 players from Ngāti Whātua all together. So that's a massive increase in players for this year, and altogether we have 2 under 11s, we have 2 under 13s, we have an under 7s, a little under 5-year-old team, and an under 9-year-old team.
Or to stand behind this line, alright? In this vicinity, so when we do a box, you're going to stand here, okay?
The trainings and actually being here on a Saturday morning, seeing the fields in Whātua just covered in our little teams, and then coming here on Saturday in their uniforms, everyone mixing and mingling and connecting and supporting each other, the tautoko for each other's teams. It's amazing. Kids are walking around Whātua with their softball gloves on everywhere, taking them to school. There's just this whole little buzz going on, and it's about playing with your cousins, having their uncles, aunties, koros, watching them. It's just, yeah, really, I think, igniting not only a passion for the sport, but also for each other. So Ngāti Whātua has a long history with softball. I know most of the parents that come here to tautoko our Tamariki have played softball themselves, and the stories that are told on the journey here and together and here at the park when we're standing around is all about that history in softball that's gone on for many years, and now it's being reignited anō. But the team sports is another element in regards to learning how to get on with each other, sorting out disagreements. And I think that really adds to their confidence, their wairua, lifts them, and you can tell just by the way they walk, the way they talk, that there's something special about these kids. They know how to work together and they know how to support each other, and that will help them grow into awesome adults, awesome parents. They're the future leaders, and this is where it starts.